Hello everyone, I'm Cotey Speaks. Welcome to the channel. This is Cotey Speaks Finance, where I'm going to be bringing you the most up-to-date current information that I can. And today it's going to be about a change that I recently did that's garnering me more interest monthly. So before I had my money in a big bank, it was around 0.01% interest rate a month. So to put that into perspective, that's 1/10 of a percentile. I was getting about $1.33 on my funds in that bank account. What I did was I transferred those funds to Weatherfront. It's an online banking account or savings account, and it garners me 2.32% APY, annual percentage yield. So each month, 2.3% of interest is being gained in my account. So I went from garnering about $1 a month to around $70. My money monthly right now is around $66. What happens is those $66 that I got from having that money in that savings account gets put back in that account, and now this month the interest is also going to be compounded onto that, and it's going to slowly grow. So all you have to do is go to your bank account, do a transfer into Wealthfront. It takes a while to go through, but once that gets done, you're going to be making more interest on your funds. And this is big for me because it helps with my subscriptions, and I mean, it's a big difference. It goes from well, I went from making about $12 a year in interest on my savings account to $600. Like, that, you really can't beat that. I don't believe there's any minimum to have the account, and they're FDIC assured up to $1 million. So I'll leave a link down below. If you guys want to check them out, go read through it, see if this is going to apply to your life, see if this is going to help you gain more money on interest each month, and I hope it does. If it does help you and you do make the switch, or you already use Wealthfront, go ahead, throw a comment down below. If you guys have any personalized messages, you guys can message me on my finance channel at Cotey Speaks Finance, and I'm always here to help. This is why I made this channel. I love finance. I research it every day, and I want to provide you, the viewer, with the most up-to-date, current, accurate information that I can. So yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video. Feed the bear, feed the bull, and good luck investing.